Cub, happy birthday. Cubby, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cub. You are 2 years old. You want your hamburger? Make a wish. All right. Here, Dad, you can take the candle. Okay, give him some hamburger. He's dying. I'll get it.
Cubby, you hungry? Good boy. Happy birthday. Sit. Yeah.
Oh, Cubby.
Yeah.
Cub, is that good? Ooh, Cubby.
You want a pickle?
Fun. Happy birthday, Cubber.
Whoop.
Will, your birthday's coming up.
Cubby, right here. Cub, right here.
Cubby.